Hello. Hi everybody. So today we have a project here is how we are going to be connecting Amazon chatbot called Amazon Next. We'll be connecting it with Lambda, right? We are not using any server, it's serverless application. So the project is actually quite simple because we'll be using Amazon Lex with Lambda, then to get our response actually. So these are the terminology that is there. We're actually using version 2 of Amazon Lex. There is version 1. I think it's still ongoing though, but stick to version 2 because that's their new version that is out there. So you can check the documentation out of document everything, step by step if you want to work on it. So let's just get over to the work. So I have my Amazon Lex here. I've already configured everything. So let's go ahead and test this conversation flow. Let's go ahead and test. You can click on test here. Let me build first. Okay, so let's wait for it to load a little bit. So I'm going to build it, then now test. I've already run my my features already, what I wanted to say, how it should say it, and everything. While we are waiting for it to load, let's go to our Lambda. If you check my Lambda, you will see I use JavaScript Node.js instead of Python. I prefer it actually. So you can use anyone not to use. What this does is to generate me a random number as the balance, then I'm sending it back to the AWS Lex, right? So it will update it at this balance that is here. You understand? So we are creating a slot which is a constant. Then we are passing into the event that is coming from AWS Lex. So inside the event we're getting the slot. They are saying the slot should be the slot of the constant. Very complicated, but I just it. So we have the account type, which is also the same thing as we are getting into the slot. This is actually making sure that we don't make a mistake. So and this balance is getting random number, right, to make our balance. They are sending it back as a message to the Amazon Lex, right? So let's go back to our Lex. Of course, yeah, it has built finished. So let's go ahead and test. Okay, right, small. Let me try to review it. Let me review it a little bit. Okay, let me reduce it. Okay, so okay, let's see let me see what bring. Say I am BB, the banking bot. How can I help you? Okay. So I want to check my balance. Check. Let me just say I want to check my balance. It asks me for confirmation that what's my date of birth, right? So I've already configured it to bring all of these figures from here and for my slot. So let me just put 21st 05 2020, just 20 like that. Right, then let me send. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Now it has which accounts would you like your balance for, because I have a lot of accounts. Right, I will show you guys that I have a VAR, a Visa, a MasterCard, savings. So let me write savings. Say my name here. Your savings account balance is 935.25 cents. Right. So if I said, what about my credit? Say your credit is, so I don't need to specify what the confirmation anything. So let me say I want to make a transfer. I want to make a transfer. Which account would you like to transfer from? So now from my savings account. Now which account am I transferring to? Now okay, let me say I'm transferring to I think I have credit account. My credit account. So how much do I want to transfer? I want to transfer maybe 1,000 cents. $1,000. Let me see what you say. Yes, yeah, it doesn't get dollars. Let me just say 1,000. Right, 1,000. So got it. So we are transferring 1,000 from savings to credit. Can I go ahead with the transfer? Now this is I know something. So yes. Let's see. It said, whoops, the transfer is complete. 1,000 should now be available in my credit account. Yeah, that's a very simple thing. It said start from high, it requires me this, that. Then we can get our balance, right? We can get our balance, we can make a transfer, right? And we can also reference, right? So let's go ahead and see the setup. Yeah, that's a bit of a thing from here. Go ahead and see the setup. Okay, go ahead and see the setup. Let's see the intent. So this is where I configured everything from the intent, the slot type, the account type, so let me cancel this. So yes, you can see that I have three account type. I have checking, the savings, and the credit. The credit has credit card, Visa card, and everything. Right. So you go back. If I want to say I want to make it what's it called, to talk. So let me go ahead and read back. I just say let me allow balance. Okay, now the check and get my balance. I'm going to add that balance.
Could you rephrase that?
Okay, I'll do that. I want to check my balance. Now this will be a little problem because I'm using
what is your date of birth?
exactly its work. So what's my bet? May 2020.
Which account would you like your balance for?
Let's see, my credit account.
Hi, Folarin Favour Olaoluwapo here. Rating hand emoji. Your credit account balance is $970.97.
Oops. Did I see that? Right, that is wonderful actually. That's wonderful actually. So you can configure the voice. The reason why it does not work sometimes because of the accents, right? So you can change the accent from using English US here to your accent part and thereabouts. So that is just basically it, right? So I can make another video on how to do it from scratch, but I'm just going over everything quickly. So this is actually a review of everything I've done already. So I think that is that. So my alias. So what this does is to make the version a latest version, right? And many more, right? So thank you for watching. Right, so the next video I'm going to be doing is, I think, should be on real estate. Then I'm creating a bot on real estate to do a real life stuff, right? So thank you. So you can go ahead and go ahead and check the documentation out. It's actually quite straightforward. Check documentation out or upload it from step by step of it, things like that. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.